Hi there. So I bought this Google Nest hub. It's the second gen because I needed a hub that is compatible with Matter over Thread and can act as a thread border router, and this one seemed to check all the boxes and the price was half decent. You cannot get these things new anymore, so secondhand or resealed, refurbished, it's your only chance. This one, they said it's resealed. Honestly, it's looking like new, so yeah, great. But I want to fully reset it by myself. I don't trust them to have done that properly. And it also seems to be in German, so I want to set it to English. So let's do this. To reset one of these units, you come on the back of it and you need to hold both volume up and volume down buttons. So 2 fingers, one for volume up, one for volume down, and hold them for 10 seconds, and that should reset the unit. So I'm holding. Yeah, it's telling me that it will reset. And I think we have a reset unit now. Yep, we have factory reset this unit. Awesome. And now I just opened up Google Home and it's already seeing it here, so I can set it up, which is freaking awesome. So it's fully reset and ready for me to use as it would be a new device. And that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you. There are plenty of videos online showing you how to set up these things, so I'm not going into that. For me, it was just how to reset it to make sure it's your own and there's no software in there that will send any data anywhere. It's full factory reset. So yeah, that's about it. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And as always, see you in the next video.